In 1982, in Port Louis, 3 countries, Madagascar, Mauritius and Seychelles, came together to build a region of peace and prosperity. The Indian Ocean Commission was born. 2 years later, the IOC is officially established upon signature of the Victoria Agreement in the Seychelles. In 1986, the Comoros and Reunion, a French overseas department, signed the Agreement for Regional Cooperation. Day after day, for 30 years, we have brought together men, women and the necessary means to improve our living conditions and secure a better future for generations to come. We share an immense natural and cultural wealth, one ocean, but we also face challenges. Our islands are unique and fragile. Our resources are being depleted. And still today, it is our unity that makes us strong. It allows us to reinforce peace and democracy, to fight against illegal fishing, piracy, to protect the environment, to cope with natural disasters and climate change, to monitor epidemics, to improve our agricultural production, to develop trade, to overcome inequalities, and to give women their rightful place in society. Our islands would not be able to address all of these challenges on their own. With the financial support from our partners, we network, train and empower fishermen, farmers, doctors, entrepreneurs and lawyers. We provide our member states with the necessary tools and information to help them make the best choices possible. Thanks to the IOC, our islands share the experiences and know-how. We are the link, the driving force for progress. Together, let us make Indianoceania's heartbeat.